This is Monster Truck Classics unboxing and review of Reptoid of the Monster Jam Hot Wheels series of 2014, and it includes the Monster Jam figure, and he is number 77 in this series. So let's take a look and unbox this truck. This actually was my first Reptoid truck to unbox. I never got him with the new look of looking like this. He's a really cool looking truck. But I do believe that in real life his eyes light up. But don't quote me on that. On the hood, see Reptoid. On the side, Hot Wheels logo, the Monster Jam logo. On the back, it has Reptoid. So very cool looking truck. I had to add him to my collection. Let me get the little Monster Jam figure. So you can see it has Reptoid green to go along with the truck. So thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy watching these unboxing videos of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series, please comment down below, and thank you for tuning in.